Welcome to the in front of me TOSCIDO M863, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So let's first open the phone application, and after that tap here on the right upper corner and click to call blocking. Here we can see two numbers on our blacklist. Now for example, just to remove one from these numbers, just click here to this number. Just hold this number for a while and click here to remove. Now just here we have the question to remove this number from the blacklist. Yeah, just click here to OK, and after that we can also just delete the second number by the same way. Just click here to remove and then click to OK, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.